this plane. You know what? This is I'm looking to get my grandson The Apprentice. Bill thinks I should get him The Apprentice. I'm thinking about an Aero Scout, not an Aero Scout, but one of the, like I have the Trojan here. Thinking about that. I'm sorry? Hey, I had some stuff there in my top of my box. I had some, I don't know what I had. There's black tape, red tape, yeah. goes by the sheriff, goes by highway patrol. Yeah, so if you come down, you head east, and you pass the sheriff's department. Actually, wait, I have to think in my head. It's past the highway patrol on the same side of the street, but it's like an abandoned foundation. There's 3 trees. You'll see 3 trees on your left. That's it. There's a foundation. That's it. It's just past the highway patrol. You start to head out on the long road towards Vegas and that. Close to that road. It's right there. Yeah, that's it. As you're heading east, you'll be on your left, just past CHP. Where you turn in for CHP, right on the left, there's this like a road thing there. Not anymore, but there's like a place that they work on the roads or whatever. There's all this heavy equipment, a fenced in place just past that on the left. There's a little dirt road, yeah, but it comes right to the 58. You turn right off the 58. There's 2 dirt roads. There's little reflector markers on each dirt road, or one of them, and you can go down there under the tree. Not there. That's on the other side of the airfield, but not on the CHP side. That's on It's after it, when you go past where the airplanes are parked, you go past that, and it's about, there'll be the place off on the right that works on the RVs, and then just past that on the left, there's 3 trees. You can't miss it. There's 2 on one side and 1 on the other, and there's a foundation. That's what you'll see, the foundation. Yeah, you can't miss it. Well, you know what? They fly over in that street right by the airport too, and nobody says anything about that. They meet there every Friday. This one handles it better than the Trojan, I'll tell you. I'm gonna bring it in, I got it. Text you one day if it's nice. You ever think you want to come out? I'll meet you there. You'll see my car under the tree. I use the foundation. You can use the foundation. I call it the carrier because it's right in the middle and it's short, but you can do it. You just have to line it up.